Hey guys, Container Crops here. Welcome back to another episode with the Scaredy Cat Gardener. We are getting ready to plant radishes from radishes. We are going to see how this works. I've gotten mixed feelings, mixed information about it. So I thought, let me experiment and just go for it and see what happens. So let's head out and I'll show you what I'm getting ready to do. Okay guys, so here I have 4 radishes that I am going to replant. So the first thing you want to do is slice off just a little bit of the bottom here. Just like that on each one. It's kind of like giving it a fresh cut, so to speak. Go ahead and slice each one off. We're going to see how these radishes grow from radish. Now that's one thing that the main thing that I am learning and experimenting with is growing from an actual plant. So I'm going to use some aloe vera gel. If you all saw the video where I did my celery, I'm doing the same method with these radishes. I'm just putting a little bit on here. I'm using the aloe vera as a germination. A little bit on each one. That should help it germinate a little bit faster. And these are fast. Radishes are supposed to be fast germinating anyway. So we shall see. Okay, now from there, guys, just going to put 4 holes in here. 4 holes, not too far down, just below the surface. And I'm going to add just a drop of Epsom salt into each hole. Epsom salt provides quite a bit of nutrients. You can have some magnesium, some nitrogen, and gives it a little boost. You don't need much. Just put a little bit in each hole, and I probably have too much in my hand. So we'll just put this back in the bag. And we're going to sit each one down in there. Put it in maybe about 1/4 of an inch below the surface. So there we have it. Can you guys see that? Bring you up a little bit closer. And from there, we're just going to cover the holes. And this soil is absolutely wet, so I'm not going to really wet it anymore today, simply because we had a downpour for a whole day the other day, and everything is just soaked through. Okay guys, thanks for coming and hanging out with me in my garden today. We'll check on our radishes in about a week or more if they seem to germinate faster than that. Let me know if you have any questions or anything you want to know down in the comments. Don't forget to give me a like and subscribe. And guys, anywhere you can sit a pot, you can grow a plant. And I'll see you on the trail.